Hey folks, HVAC repair guy here. I have over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I like to judge equipment based on how it actually performs and holds up in the field. Today we are comparing two top-tier variable speed heat pumps, the Arcoaire Ion 23 H5H3V and the Rheem Endeavor RP19AY. Both fall into the ultimate performance category, but they bring very different specs when you dig into the details. Both units include a factory-installed compressor sound blanket to isolate operational noise. They differ in coil protection, with the Rheem using full louvered coil panels. The Arcoaire relies on open panel construction without louvered coil protection. Out in the yard, louvered panels give superior physical protection for long-term coil integrity. Heating performance uses HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, to measure winter efficiency. The Arcoaire H5H3V has a 12.0 HSPF rating, which is exceptional for an air source heat pump. The Rheem RP19AY sits at an 8.5 HSPF. Both systems are high-efficiency air conditioners in summer as well for year-round climate control. Both units use true variable speed inverter compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors. Variable speed technology allows incremental modulation based on the exact heat load of the home. This micro-adjustment eliminates temperature swings, improves humidity control, reduces startup surge, and extends equipment lifespan. Both systems are exceptionally quiet compared to traditional single-stage units. Rheem RP19AY operates as low as 58 to 59 decibels, like the hum of a modern dishwasher. Arcoaire 5H3V drops as low as 56 decibels, similar to a quiet conversation or peaceful office environment. Both units are manufactured in the USA. Arcoaire by International Comfort Products under Carrier, and Rheem by Rheem Manufacturing. Equipment and installation costs vary by tonnage and system configuration. Arcoaire outdoor unit costs generally range between $5,500 and $8,200 depending on tonnage. A complete Arcoaire matched turnkey installation typically runs between $8,000 and $13,500 plus. Rheem outdoor condenser pricing online ranges from about $6,473 for a 3-ton to $8,574 for a 4-ton. A full matched Rheem installation generally ranges from $8,500 to $14,500 plus. Both brands offer competitive warranty coverage with 10-year parts, compressor, and unit replacement warranties. For my honest recommendation, I give the nod to the Arcoaire Ion 23 H5H3V. While Rheem offers better cabinet coil protection with its louvered panels, Arcoaire's outstanding 12.0 HSPF rating gives you significantly better heating efficiency and performance in cold weather, making it the superior overall heat pump investment for long-term comfort and energy savings.